Hello, coming to you today with a song parody for episode, I think it's episode 10 of season 2 of Enterprise, Star Trek Enterprise that is, dedicated to the patron goddess or patron saint or, well, whatever. She's a big fan favorite on the Admiral Teague Star Trek fan community. Hoshi Sato, favorite character, played by the wonderful Linda Park. Great actress, great character, great show. And of course, the Admiral himself likes to put in the occasional song parody. So this is my meager effort today. You might recognize the famous Oasis song that I have chosen to use as the backing music. All right. Oh, what you won't see in this video is my wife and my dog standing over there on that side of the room looking at me with sort of a puzzled expressions. Trips inside an old temple cave, taking pictures to save for a rainy day. Oh, she says that she's never been in a transporter beam. She won't go that way. Then she's oversleeping in her bed, 'cause she tried the beam and it went to her head. Steps outside, her uniform's a mess. Stand up beside her station's place. I just got a scowling face. She ain't ever gonna build herself down. So she can't wait. She knows she might fade as she's transporting down. The atoms slide away. But check the pattern buffer, I heard her say. Treadmill is the place so she goes. Nobody knows, 'cause it's leg day. Aliens putting bombs on the ship. She keeps trying to tell Trip he can't hear her say. Then she finds out it was all a dream. Took 2 seconds in transporter beam. Steps down from the transporter pad, going back to sleep in bed. Got to rest a weary head. She ain't ever gonna beam herself down. So she can't wait. She knows she might fade as she's transported down. Her atoms slide away. Check the pattern buffer, I heard her say. So she can't wait. She knows she might fade as she's transported down. The atoms slide away. So check the pattern buffer. Check the pattern buffer, I heard her say.